Hi everyone, and welcome or welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make one of the most popular and versatile crochet stitches, the double crochet. Double crochet stitches are taller, which means the projects will work up faster, which is perfect for blankets, scarves, or sweaters. So grab your yarn and your hook, and let's do it. The first thing you need to know is if you're working into the chain, you need to have what's called your turning chain. Most patterns are going to call for having 3 turning chains. So crochet whatever your project calls for, plus 3 chains. You're going to start by yarning over, wrapping the hook from the back to the front before you do anything else. Next, insert your hook into the stitch or space where you want to work the double crochet. If you're working into a chain, then insert your hook into the top loop of the chain. And make sure you're skipping your turning chains. Now, yarn over your hook again, wrapping from the back to the front. Pull the yarn through the stitch or space where you inserted your hook. At this point, you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again. This is the second to last step. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on your hook. You should now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And that's it. You've just made a double crochet. So let's do that a few more times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the 2 first loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And that's the double crochet. Once you get the hang of it, it's super simple, and remember to try and keep your tension nice and even. If it's too tight or too loose, it can make it tricky to work into later. Once you've got this down, you're ready to tackle so many crochet projects. I know you're gonna love using it. It's a classic for a reason. Double crochets create an open, airy fabric, which makes them perfect for scarves, shawls, and lacy designs. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to help you out. But thank you so much for watching, and as always, good luck on your crochet journey.